everybody.
Not yet. Now.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Mother's Intuition. Amanda Baker here with Lillian and Madeline and Baby Hugs. I hope you're all having a wonderful Wednesday. It is Wednesday today. I'm losing track of the days, but I remembered today is Wednesday. We've been very busy today. It's not sunny or anything, but it's getting a little warmer out, which is nice. What do we do outside today?
Today I got a rip in my in my coat.
You got a rip in your coat?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Apparently we have a rip in our coat. We played outside for a little while. Lillian helped Dada build a garden fence, and we let the chicks outside for a little while too, right?
Yeah, in our garden.
In our old garden fence, yep. And Dada's building a new garden fence. We're very busy today. We did a little raking. But let's start with a prayer, okay? All right. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
And Mama, you sit down so good.
Oh,
I got baby hard.
Oh, dear. All right. Well, you want to start the prayer?
You.
Okay.
I'll get
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of death. Amen. Lillian, sorry she scared you. She's okay. Baby Hugs okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we have a couple fun activities today. We hope you're doing well in your homeschool journey. We have a couple of...
Mama, you need to sit down.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to stand up, though, because it's easier with I'm wearing Madeline. A couple easy activities you can do with Easter candy. Or one fun activity, really, you can do with Easter candy. Math, another math activity. Oh, dear. And then another fun craft idea for you to do at home for your little ones. And actually I have two fun crafts, but one I'm going to show and one it's just I'm going to explain. So the first is Jelly Bean Math. That's the title of this, Jelly Bean Math. So once again, I have these worksheets here, but I'm just going to kind of modify and do them in my notebook. This is what I do a lot in the classroom too. Sometimes I'd be like, I don't want to copy that worksheet, you know. I'm just going to Sure.
That was what I talked about.
Okay, in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is one thing I would say. Let Mama talk for a minute. One thing. No. Lillian, if you want to do a video with Mama, you got to let Mama talk for a minute, okay? Okay?
Okay. And eat your
you can't eat my fingers. So, yeah, quick, easy, like worksheets, but I would just do this in the notebook. So it's just basically.
I can't see.
I know, but I'm showing people the worksheet. Just basically counting everyone's making a guess of how many jelly beans or what color of each jelly beans in the bag, and then how many are actually in the bag. So they just tally them up on their worksheet. So, I mean, that was one thing as a teacher, I'd be like, well, I don't need to copy this. I'm just going to put it right in the notebook. Don't play with it yet, okay? Because we're going to show people the craft. Okay. The other fun thing. Oh, no, not yet. We got to wait till we're done. Save those for later, okay? The next thing you can do is they could draw like a graph by drawing out how many jelly beans they have. And this worksheet, it's baby. I told you no, not yet. Because I want to show people first how to make it, and then you can put it on. They can draw out the number of jelly beans. So it's good for kids as a visual of what they're actually counting to draw out like graph form of how many jelly beans they have. Now, I think I said on the kind of video yesterday, I'm not really a jelly bean person, so instead we did colorful Easter colored peanut M&Ms. So same thing. And
maybe I have what we talked about.
Okay, which one did you like, Lillian?
The purple.
Okay.
Purple.
That's all for now, okay? Until Mama tells you next time. Now, it says, you know, you can do the whole bag. I would say depending on how many kids you have. A whole bag of peanut M&Ms is not nearly as many as jelly beans, I feel like. But I would just pour some in a cup. So in their notebook for Jelly Bean Math, you're pouring some in a cup, and then the kids are going to predict how many of each color they think are in the cup. So that's easy enough to do. They look at the cup. Oh, dear. So, Lillian, how many blue M&Ms do you think are in this cup?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it might be like my daughter, and she's just kind of pointing to the ones she sees and guessing. So I'll write down 5 blue. How many purple M&Ms do you think are in that cup?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So once again, she'd rate 5. So we just write predictions based on, younger kids are just going to kind of look at the ones they see and predict. Older kids might try to kind of, they could get technical with it and do, like a little actual math problem and weigh the cup, and then weigh the cup with jelly beans and without jelly beans, and then, try to guess how many jelly beans are actually in there. It's really up to them how they want to figure it out. The older ones are going to have hopefully a more high-tech process than the younger ones. Figuring it out. Yep, just a minute. And then you're going to count how many you actually found. Sorry, we have a fussy baby here. And then the last step is that I would say have your kids count them out in groups of 2s so that they can start practicing counting in groups. They can count by 2s, they can count by 5s, they can count by 3s, and have them draw out a picture of them grouped up. This is a great way, having kids using manipulatives like jelly beans or marbles or bingo chips.
Sorry, everybody.
What are you sorry about?
I have a fussy baby.
Oh, yes, you do have a fussy baby. Mom has a fussy baby, too. So that's a good way for them to practice.
Sorry, I have a hungry baby.
I'm going to finish. I'm going to finish. Yes, baby.
I have a hungry baby.
Okay. Do you want to go get her passy?
She's okay. I feel my boo.
Okay. So practicing counting by 2s, 5s, 3s is a good way for kids to get used to counting by those numbers, so that they can eventually. Mama, stop talking, so they can eventually. Million. Okay. Okay. If you don't want to wait here, you don't have to. You can go play something else. So Mama's ready to do the chick craft. Sorry. So that they can eventually start practicing their multiplication tables. So Lillian. Okay, I need you to just calm down for a second. Mama's gonna finish talking, and then you will do your craft. Okay. So yes, I'd have them count by those numbers and draw pictures to go with them. Something to do on the left side page of their notebook, the creative side, is to have them write 3 math story problems using the jelly bean. So, or the M&Ms in our case. So if they, want to use just 2 of the colors, they could. Sally had 12 blue M&Ms and 15 green M&Ms in her cup. And she shared them with her friend Elena. They split them in half. How many jelly beans do they each get? So that's a multi-step problem. They have to add up the jelly beans in that problem, and then they have to divide them in half. So it's a multi-step problem. That's a good one for them to practice. They could do multiplication problems, division problems, which technically that one's a division problem too. That's a great way for them to practice. And then they can share their story problems with each other and practice writing it. And make sure they can solve the problem as well. So not only have them write it, but have them show the math and solve it. So story problems are really good for kids to practice because they can use drawing to help figure it out.
Hi, everybody.
An extra level of
Hi,
thinking.
everybody. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Lillian.
Hi, everybody.
All right, are you ready to show the chick craft now?
Yeah.
All right. So that's my little easy jelly bean math activity. You can use M&Ms or any colored candy. That would work. Another quick craft. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I have a crying baby. Ooh.
Does your crying baby have a passy?
Yeah.
She does.
Yeah.
All
and
right.
it's I'm 6 in a gap. And I'm sitting.
You're sitting on it. Another cute activity they can do is using an old 2-liter bottle is your kiddos can make little Easter baskets. So what they do is all they have to do, I'll show you the Easter basket. So this one was decorated with fabric squares. You could also use colorful tissue paper or something and glue. And you just cut the bottom part of the bottle off. And then you cut another piece of plastic around. And that becomes the handle.
Yeah.
And you can't really see it, but we actually stapled the handles to it. So staple, 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 staple on each side. And you can decorate it with some lace. You can decorate with lace fabric or tissue paper and glue, and that works great. Oh my goodness.
May I have one more while we talk about this? What?
One cranky baby lion.
I want to have both of this now.
Okay. Well, the next thing we're going to do, let me see if I can angle the camera to this piece of paper.
I can't see.
No, I can't. I know. I might need to do the chick craft another time. Well, the next thing we're going to do, I can't really angle it like that, is make a cute little, oh goodness, baby chick painting using a paper plate, yellow paint, and a fork. Let me just get my a fork, and your fork becomes the feathers of the chick. So you can see it's dipped in yellow paint. You will also need something to make the beak with. So you could either use a teeny piece of paper, fold it in half to make the beak. And then you could also cut out little feet. You could use felt. You could paint the beak on when it's dry. And then we're going to do Google eyes. You could also just paint the eyes on as well. You could be extra fancy and, put a little feather on top. But I'm going to show you how to do the feathers.
I
and Elaine's going to help me. See? Elaine's going to help me. You can just use a piece of paper too. You don't have to use the plate. The plate, I think the idea is that it's circular, so it can help your little ones. Here, you're going to help me.
About this.
Ready? Can you get on your knees so you can help me? Go up on your knees in the chair. So you're going to take the plastic fork and dip it in the yellow paint. And then you have your little one help with this. You're going, and mine's, I just used craft paint. Okay, ready? We're going to take the fork, watch mama, and you're going to press it and press it and press it and get some more paint. Okay, here, your turn. Grab the fork. Grab the fork. Your mama's going to help you. Press. Press. Get some more paint. Press. 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 Here, use this hand. Use the other hand. Here, get the other hand, baby. Here. Press. 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 And so you can see we're kind of making a circle around. Elaine, you're going to help me? Press, press, press.
I need baby hard.
Here, just do the chick painting first, then we go do the heads. Ready?
What is this?
Hey, baby. You want to help me with this?
Yeah.
Grab this. Grab the fork. Ready? Press, 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 press. Get more paint.
I like a rainbow.
Kind of. Looks kind of like a rainbow, except it's all yellow. It's a yellow rainbow.
And we blue and green.
Except we're just going to do a baby chick. So baby chicks don't really do blue and green. But our baby chicks are lots of different colors, aren't they?
Yeah.
What color are our chicks?
I don't know.
Well, we have a couple black ones, right?
Yeah. Let's make a yellow rainbow. It looks like a sunshine.
It does kind of look like a sunshine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to add the googly eyes and stuff to it in a minute.
Yeah. Oh, you do some of it.
Okay, pick out what googly eyes you want.
I have one.
Here, let me see. Where'd the other one go?
Right here.
Are those the same? Those are two different ones. All right, so let me see. The two are the same. I don't know what you did with the other one. So we're going to do these.
It's down here.
Should we just do these two?
Yeah.
These two circle ones?
Yeah.
All right. So you can wait till the glue dry or till the paint dries, but I'm just going to do it now. I'm using tacky glue. Elaine, you want to get me the eyeballs?
Yeah.
Get the eyeballs.
I'm doing tacky glue.
Because this stuff holds on really good.
And
all right, get the eyeballs. Grab these two eyeballs. Put one on this. Oh no! The good news of using a plate is that the paint didn't flop down on the floor. All right, ready? Where's your eyeball?
I don't know.
Let me see it. You have it in your hand. Where's the eyeball? All right, grab this eyeball. Put it right here in this spot.
Why?
Grab the eyeball.
In this side.
Right there. Good.
Get some of your fingers.
That's okay. And then grab this one. This one. Grab it.
Grab it.
And put it on that spot right there.
I want you to do it.
Okay, Mom will do it because I keep dropping stuff in. All right, and Mom will do it. There we go. So here's our baby chick. We just need to add our beak and feet, but we'll do that in a little while. And I'm actually probably going to glue a little feather sticking out of the top too. But easy little baby chick craft. Hang up on your refrigerator or to give away to somebody for Easter. Yeah, that was your penguin. All right, everybody. Sorry once again for a little bit of a chaotic video, but hope you got something out of today's easy math lesson and craft. Growing stir crazy here. Maybe you are as well. I don't know. We're going to say goodbye to everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and please let us know if there's any additional kinds of lessons you would like to see. More science, more math, more writing, whatever. Just let us know and have a great day. Bye.
Why? Look at what big away.